Alright, so we're back with another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and take off the transmission off the Integra and add some parts to it and seal it up, because what's going on again?
It's leaking from the differential case, pretty much.
So
I think it's called that.
We gotta fix that, whatever the hell that is. But we gotta fix that today, so we're gonna take this whole thing apart and, you know, fuck some shit up as always. Alright, so Adrian's gonna go ahead and take care of the top right here. I already got that wheel off, as you guys saw. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all taken care of. Move all of this, see if I remember how to remove that shit. I did it once at the junkyard, but that was like months ago. When we were trying to get out a manual transmission, but it was an automatic transmission, and we were there for like 2 hours. Taking everything apart, we were at the last final part. And we ended up fucking figuring out that it was an automatic transmission. So I kind of know how to get some of the shit off of this. So it should be fairly easy, hopefully. We'll see. Alrighty, now that we got this removed from the axle, we're gonna go ahead and remove the ball joint from this thing with some pliers and the power tools, baby. Sweet, so now we got it off. So now I just gotta pull it up. Ow, bitch. And there you go. It's completely off. We just gotta get the axle out of the way. Mother freaker. Should I slide out or what? Motherfucker.
The axle?
Yeah. And we'll be back after the short break. So right now we're stuck with this axle. Can't figure out how the fuck to pull it out. We already got the other side out, in and out, or out. So we just gotta get this one out, and then hopefully we can start doing the rest of this shit. But we're pretty much there, almost. Let's get it. Alrighty, cool. So we've gotten a long way from where we were at. So we're just trying to figure out a way on how to put the transmission, or the engine up, while taking the whole transmission off. So got everything off. Axles and everything, all the bolts are all loose. As you can see, there's no bolt right there. So we're just trying to figure out a way how to pop it off, and then having this stay up still without it leaning, because we tried to bring it down and the whole show was leaning sideways. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that, and then hopefully we can start taking it down with these sick ass hands. If you ain't got hands like this, you're a bitch. Nah, psych, but yep. So we'll see how it turns out, but if we get it, hopefully, we're hoping that we can get it out today. That way Adrian can just fit whatever he needs to put into it and fix the case or the transmission thing. And then we can throw it back up tomorrow night. So we're gonna keep working on this. It's like 9 something, but we don't care. We're gonna get this shit done. There we go, mates. Look at that shit. Woo-wee. That's actually my first time. That's actually my first time and his first time taking off a transmission. I don't know if I think he's done it before, but for me it's my first time. So doing this shit's kind of on you to me, you know. So kind of cool. So we finally got it off, as we said. Fuck yeah! So now we're gonna install some shit and we'll keep you guys updated. I'll probably have Adrian record it for you guys. But oh yeah, let's go. We fucking done it. Damn. First time removing that shit. That's what it looks like, huh?
Look at it closely. Look at it closely.
That's tough. But here it is. We fucking did it. We fucking doing it. But yep. Pretty much wraps it for today's video on the transmission removal. So we got that. Alrighty, so we're back again. You guys can see we got the whole transmission just sitting right there. It's nice and clean. I'm gonna try and figure out how to get this done or open that shit up while we're getting the rest of the stuff up. We just got the flywheel on. We went from this one to that one. So we're gonna go ahead and put everything back together, hopefully tonight, and then finish it off and get it going again. Alrighty, so here I am taking everything off, as you guys can see. This part right here, this shit's all new to me. So getting that off is all new to me. It's a fucking thing with the spring and then the fucking ball. So, you know, nothing like a good old YouTube video to help you get this shit off. So we'll go ahead and work on this, try and get it all off so we can start, you know, doing shit. Cause the whole reason why we took out the transmission is to fix all this. So fix all this shit that you see was leaking from the bottom right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that all taken care of today. So we got it out. So as you can see, those two little things right there, I had to separate them apart in order to go ahead and take the casing off. So now we're gonna just pry it off and hopefully we can get it going. Fuck! We missed it, but we got it off. So, I mean, it popped off, so it's completely off now. You guys can see. Haha. So now, I don't know what's next, but I think it's just popping it off and then seeing the inside. Yep. Pick it up. Damn, first time seeing this shit. Woo! That's tight. It's fucking sick.
Yeah.
Damn.
So,
I think that all this shit controls everything. That's fucking sick. Adrian did the clutch already. Damn, let's see if we can see it from the bottom better. So it's there. Shit. So it's good to go now. And I just gotta finish the transmission now, so I gotta finish that thing over here. I'm pretty much kinda almost done. It's not that dirty, luckily. So I walked through this part right here all the way down. I just need from here on up. So as you guys can see all that stuff. I'm right here at the moment, so yeah, it's coming out clean. So we just gotta get that shit done and then throw it back on. Oh fuck, I forgot I could do that one too. So yep, but little by little we're getting there, so fuck it. It's cool, learning experience. Hell yeah. Alrighty, so we're done though. We got it cleaned up. Just putting some brake cleaner to clean it off, but you can see the difference from what it was before. And Adrian hit this one in the meantime. So those are both clean. They're just ready to throw back on. We're just gonna clean it up, put it together, and then mount it all back up, and then get the rest of it taken care of. As far as you guys are gonna come with me tomorrow, because y'all motherfuckers need to come through, because I got a fucking exhaust leak. My fucking exhaust pipe cracked on me, and I think I had it since I got it, but with all the backfires sometimes, even though I don't do any two-step or anything like that, it cracked, and so it's cracked now and I gotta get it welded. So hopefully I can get that taken care of tomorrow and fix it up, because I need to drive that bitch and that should sound like trash. So yep, let's get that wrap up on this one. Alrighty, so it's the next day. What is this, like the third day we work on it? We stayed up till like 1:30 a.m. trying to fix an issue on the thing that we don't know how to get it done, but the transmission's on there at the moment. So, God damn it, focus. So as you can see, the transmission's on, the fuck's going on, the autofocus is fine. But it's on there, so the only issue with this was the C-clip. So you can see that clip right there. It's right inside. I don't know why the fuck this camera sucks at focusing, but those clips right there, we don't know how to like open it, so the whatever the fuck that shit's called, the shaft or whatever the hell it is, wasn't sitting on it. So we had to figure out how to do that, and then apparently you just had to like pull the nut up. But then we ran into another problem, that this shit got stripped right here. So those threads in there got stripped, so we couldn't do anything about that. So luckily we had another transmission right there sitting from that engine, and we just grabbed that end and threw it on this piece right here. So hopefully we fix it, but we're gonna put everything back now and get it all back and going together again. Alrighty, so I don't know what the fuck time it is. I don't even got my phone with me, but pretty much everything's all back together. Everything's good to go. Took us a while just to, because I kind of fucked up. I should have said in the beginning, but like the bolts, they're all scattered all over the place. We had to find where they were supposed to go and stuff like that. But besides that, everything's back on, so we're good to go on that. Yeah, Now we're just gonna bleed the clutch because we took that little piece, the slave cylinder, apart, so came off, so we gotta bleed that, and then we already filled out the transmission, and then hopefully everything goes good. But yep, we're gonna clean up our fucking mess. Okay. All right, so I think that wraps up today's video, to be honest. We're just gonna bleed the clutch, and then I don't know if we're gonna throw on the wheels or not. Probably let it sit overnight since the thing still needs to dry up for the transmission case. But besides that, I got a fucking crack in my exhaust, which I went to 2 shops. From the videos you guys saw, I went to 2 shops. I didn't update you guys, but I went to 2 shops pretty much, and they said they want to cut the exhaust and then put some other piping in there. So part of me doesn't want to do that just because I don't know. It's just me being like, I don't know, it's just weird. So I'm gonna think about it till Monday. I have till Monday to think about it, and then maybe I'll get that fixed because it is pretty bad. So let me see if I can show you guys the crack really quick. So as you guys can see, the crack is all right there. So that whole piece right there, that thing needs to get replaced. So I gotta get that replaced before I do anything else on it. So as you guys can see, I gotta get that replaced first. Part of me doesn't want to cut that whole thing off, but if I have to, I have to. But I got till Monday, so that wraps up today's video. I'll keep you guys updated on the exhaust and everything else.